Hi, welcome back here with your stocks. Let's answer some queries now. Mayuresh Joshi, Head of Equity Research at William O'Neill, and Richard Jain, Equity Technical Analyst at Angel Broking, join in. Gentlemen, good afternoon to both of you, and apologies for the wait. First query has come in from Prashant Shah, who's written to us from Bengaluru. So he says he has investments in Axis Bank. So he has 565 shares, which he has bought at the rate of just a little over 400 odd rupees. Wants to know now what should be the take. Mayuresh, first to you.
Afternoon, Sumera. I think the view of the investor is a medium-term view. He could very well hold on to the stock. Yes, there have been moratoriums which have got raised to the extent of 25-30% odd. The provisioning has definitely gone up, and you've seen slowdown in disbursement growth. But I think the catch-up that all these leading banking stocks will do in the next couple of quarters will be quite substantial. So the Q1 hit might very well continue on their balance sheet. But in the second half, the recovery process will be equally strong. So disbursements are expected to come back to normal levels. The expectations of retail advances within that expected to grow faster. At the same time, what you're probably seeing in terms of the moratoriums itself, any respite on that front and the project provisioning thereof will clearly take out the pain from the balance sheet as far as the parameters are concerned. So the return ratio should also improve going forward. So yeah, it's a hold from my side if it's a medium term.